Hey everyone, this is Sugandha and you're watching Ready for SS English and I hope so you all know me and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me then you can have a look on my main channel which is in Hindi language from the description box, right? This session, these videos means the videos on this channel are in English language because many followers have requested me to upload these sessions in English or to add subtitles, right? I have told it many times, but still today I'm repeating because this session is coming after several days. Okay, so yes, today we would be discussing something very interesting, and that is how to find jobs and how to draft job descriptions. Yes, you would be having a look on a very good job posting and a very interesting job posting, but we would be having a few learnings, a few important learnings which we should know as an HR, right? So make sure to subscribe my channel if you haven't done it yet, because the sessions you would be requesting in the comment box, you would be getting them in your notification feed, right? So let's get started and let's enter this Naukri.com and then see this Naukri portal, and we would be learning here a lot of things. Now I'm scrolling this up and down. You can have a look on it by yourself because I won't be clicking everything. I would be going straight down and I would be clicking on the Amazon, right? Now I have clicked it and let's see what will happen. Now this is the profile Amazon company has created on the Naukri portal, right? So we can see this, and right straight I would be moving to the jobs. You can explore yourself different things on this specific page, right? So I would be clicking on this job. I think I have done something wrong. So this is, let me correct it. I would be clicking on this new one. Okay. This is now non-tech recruiter job, and here we would be having a look on the things I would be selecting, and please make sure to read it by yourself because I would be telling you specific things which you need to focus over here. Now don't go away after having a look over the experience that this is out of box. This is a out of box kind of a thing in that you don't hold 8 years of experience. So why you are here for a specific reason. If you are a fresher, then yes, it will be really beneficial for you. If you are an HR working, having 2 or 3 years of experience, then also. And if you are specifically a recruiter, then it's really a beneficial for you because you would be learning a lot here as how to draft job postings. You people have asked me several times that ma'am, please tell us how to draft job postings, how to draft job descriptions, and so how we can do it. Okay, so now I'm selecting it, and you can hear what I'm saying, and you can read it by yourself, because if you would be reading by yourself, then only you would be having you would be understanding each thing, right? So read it, and you can draft it. That's why I'm saying again and again that you have to see the sentences, how the framing is being done, what all work a person with this much experience, or a person of non-tech recruiter profile has to do, what are the roles and responsibilities, right? Here now down responsibilities are mentioned. Now these responsibilities I have listed so many times in my on my Hindi channel. Okay, so these are the same, they have drafted in a very nice language, so they are looking very good, they are looking like a very professional job posting. And if you're working for a very small company, or if you're working for any startup company, or if you're planning to start up a company, and if you are planning to work with a company which has been just started a few years ago, or these profiles are not there, right? So you can have a look on it, and still if you're working with a very mid-sized company, then also it will be very beneficial because you can draft these postings like this. Okay, so have a look on it and just see. I'm scrolling down here. You can see the key skills also mentioned there. If you're not able to understand any point, please do comment in the comment box. Please post your comment in the comment box. I would be really specifying it. I would be explaining it in detail, because I don't think that there's anything which will be doubtful in this, and it will really help to improve your communication skills. It will really help you to know how these companies work, what are the workings, what are the roles and responsibilities like, right? So I am selecting, I'm going back again, I'm just exploring again and again, right? So this was the purpose. I'm not promoting any job over here. Don't think that I'm promoting this job or company, anything. I am just promoting the way they have posted the job, and you can also learn out from it. You can draft your own job postings. You can have you can read the language how this has been posted. Okay, so I hope so this was beneficial for you, and if it's not then you can tell me, and if it's helpful then also you can tell me. If you wanted to have few more sessions, or if you wanted to have any specific session, then you can tell me. Otherwise, you would be getting so many sessions on this channel, and please post your comments. They are very helpful for me, because this is my second channel, and I'm getting all the comments of this channel on my main channel, on my Hindi channel only. But I really want, I'm really keen to read the comments over here. Okay, so I hope so this was beneficial, and till next video, all the very best. Stay happy, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.